Okay class, it's time for math. Hey, Caillou, did you just burp? No, I didn't burp. Don't lie to me, you just burped. That's it, go to the principal's office now. So Caillou, why are you here? I burped in class. How dare you burp in class? That's it, Caillou. You are expelled from this school forever. And you are never coming back to this school again. Go home now. Caillou, how dare you burped in class and got expelled from school forever. That's it. You are grounded forever. Caillou is right. You are grounded forever. Now go to bed now.